Hello everybody, this is Minimymo, and I'm here to say I'm going to be following a Madeyewlook makeup tutorial today. So, she's not a Christmas tree, but I'm gonna pretend I am. So, but before we get started with her video to look on with, for me to look on with, to her video, we're gonna get started with first doing some regular eye makeup stuff. Yeah. I'm so good at English, isn't it phenomenal? Okay. Just putting some white on my eye. Doesn't really look like that's what I'm putting on it, but that's what I am putting on it. It'll work. It'll work. So I know Madeyewlook, she does shading and stuff, and I'm not good at shading and stuff. So we'll see how this turns out. We'll see how this turns out. Hey guys, I'm growing eyelashes. I have trichotillomania, so I pluck my eyelashes. But hey, I'm growing some, so that's something. Now, we're going to do the eyebrows, and then we're going to be following Madeyewlook. So, let's do this. Also, you might be wondering why I don't have my tank top straps up. They're just all the way down here. Because we're doing it, the tree goes down to here. So, yeah, that explains it. Okay, so I'm just filling in the spots that need it most.
Makeup that I already have on my face is actually the beauty makeup from the Assassin's Creed tutorial. Right, go figure, Assassin's Creed Christmas, totally. And I'll put a link for that in the corner. I'm then going in and painting on each light bulb using red, green, blue, and yellow. And of course, adding highlights onto those light bulbs using white.
Don't use this brush. It's a great brush for other things, just terrible for this. I'm just gonna do red by greens, by every green. That way I don't get confused as to where it goes. Let's start here. Just now figured this might turn out awful, but that's okay, because not everything is perfect. If every pork chop were perfect, we wouldn't have hot dogs. This area is ticklish right here, doing this. I don't know why it's ticklish, but it is. Okay, so now that we have the colors, I'm going to figure out where I need more colors. So, I'm gonna put an orange on my nose.
Then using the right eyeshadow according to the light bulb, I'm adding the glow of the light around it. Now usually I would say that I want to shade underneath objects to make them look more three-dimensional from the skin, but lights do not cause shadows, lights cast light.
This would probably be a time when you use this brush. I didn't do that, so yeah. I didn't realize I had another brush, so I just went with it. And I'm like, oh wait, there's more underneath. Oh, I'm smart.
I then mix together black and white body paint to create a lighter gray and add the knobs on the top of the lights. Not sure what they're called, but we're gonna go with knobs. Sockets, perhaps? Using black body paint and the new detail brush, I connected some of the cord of the lights, but not all of them because I wanted to leave some room for the elves.
I'm really sick of this. Okay, there's one. It looks trashy because I'm trashy, so let's continue.
And just kind of splattered down different shades of green to give it more of a tree texture.
Oh, I'm gonna get my Christmas hat on, and then I'll be right there. We go. I'm a Christmas tree. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys were following along at home, I hope yours did not turn out as garbage as mine did, but I still had a lot of fun, so I hope you guys did too. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Minimymo, signing off. Bye!